cordial greeting. My name is John Ebro Garcia. Group number 2120 3293. Date May 3, 2020. Assessment and Negotiation of Technology. Digital Transformation. Digitization represents the conversion of an analogous process into formats that they can be understood and manipulated by machines. Therefore, thanks to digital technologies, it is possible to convert more and more data and process to data formats, which else generated no data can be manipulated in new ways. All these hits lead to a series of compatibilities for information of creating new world of done things in different economic sectors. The importance of understanding allocation and negotiation of technology to contribute to solve the problem of digital transformation in Colombia. The evaluation and negotiation of technology contributes to solving the problem of digital transformation in Colombia in the sense of obtaining the law and the basis Sudan is culture industrial in general. We can provide marketplace to companies that with